Police reported data from the Fatality Analyst Reporting System, or FARS, and the National Automotive Sampling show that in 2009 there were 30,797 fatal crashes in the United States, which involved 45,230 drivers in those crashes. 33,808 people died. In 2009, 5,474 people were killed in crashes involving driver distracting, 16% of total fatalities. The proportion of fatalities reportedly associated with driver distraction increased from 10% in 2005 to 16% in 2009. During that time, fatal crashes with reported driver distraction also increased from 10% to 16%. The portion of drivers reportedly distracted at the time of the fatal crash increased from 7% in 2005 to 11% in 2009. The under 20 age group had the highest proportion of distracted drivers involved in fatal crashes, 16%, at the age group with the next greatest proportion of distracted driving was also in the 20 to 29 year old age group. 13% of all 20 to 29 year old drivers in fatal crashes were reported to have been distracted. Of those drivers reportedly distracted during the fatal crash, the 30 to 39 year old drivers were the group with the greatest proportion distracted by cell phones. Cell phones distraction was reported for 24% of all 30 to 39 year old distracted drivers in fatal crashes. Light truck drivers and motorcyclists had the greatest proportion of total driver reported as distracted at the time of the fatal crash. 12% each. Bus drivers had the lowest percent, 6% of total drivers involved in fatal crashes that were reported as distraction related. An estimate 20% of 1,005,017 injury crashes were reported to have involved distracted driving in 2009.